Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing both earbuds and the case so nothing obvious is blocking sound. Make sure both buds have charge, aim for 50% or more, then remove any ear tips and gently clear the mesh with a soft brush. Once done, reinsert tips and pair to the device you normally use. Sometimes the phone/device is stuck in mono or single ear mode. If the right bud still fails, note any LED or app status to inform the next steps. Now you'll perform a reset and a clean Bluetooth handshake to fix software quirks. Follow the manufacturer reset. Usually hold the case or each bud for 10 to 15 seconds until LEDs flash. This clears pairing memory. Next, forget the earbuds on your phone's Bluetooth list, then repair both buds as a single stereo device. Once paired, play a stereo test track and swap devices or channels to determine whether the issue follows the earbud or the source. To finish, apply firmware updates through the companion app. Updates often fix audio routing bugs. Make sure tips are properly seated. Sometimes a misaligned tip blocks the speaker, so swap to a spare tip or foam for comparison. If the bud remains silent after resets, tests on multiple devices, and firmware updates, you've isolated a hardware fault. In that case, contact the manufacturer with your test notes and LED behavior. As a troubleshooting tip, try cleaning with a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.